Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I stand in support.
Support, please proceed.
Last year, I was asked about the GET extension, and I stated that I didn't feel that continuing to tax the people of Hawaii was the right answer, and that we needed to think of creative, out-of-the-box solutions. That being said, since that point, I've been presented with a lot of the different options that are currently available to us, and unfortunately, this extension seems to be the best of the worst. I've been very intentional with discussing this issue with my constituents. I've had 2 town hall meetings with HART where they've graciously come out to the district to answer questions directly. I've had communication through mailers and surveys, and I'm basing my vote on what I truly believe is best for my community. I wish the project had begun in a more responsible manner, but we're too far in to stop now. While I'm voting in support, I wish all of the 0.5% went to the intent of funding the rail instead of keeping the 10% with DOTAX. At the very least, that 10% should have been reduced. I appreciate that through conference committee, we've limited the extension to 5 years instead of perpetuity. And while I hesitantly support this bill, the city and the rail project need to actively work together to be more efficient, effective, and find creative solutions to not just finish the project, but for the operation of the rail as well. So the state will not have to revisit this issue in the future. I ask if I could have further comments in the journal.
So ordered.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very